So you probably don't think about Oman Air all that much, since it's one of the smallest flag carriers in the Middle East. That's why today we're going to take their flagship, the Boeing 787 that you see down there, down to Muscat to see what their long-haul economy class product is like and whether it can keep up with the big guys in the Middle East. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this new episode of Brutally Honest. My name is David, and I'm in Munich, Germany right now, about to give Oman Air a try, one of the last flag carriers of the Middle East that we haven't done a Brutally Honest episode about yet. Another airline that we haven't done an episode about is Saudi Arabian Airlines, which I'm going to show you a flight of in one of the upcoming episodes on their Boeing 777 on a 15-hour flight from Jeddah to New York. So if you don't want to miss that upcoming episode or any other episode of Brutally Honest, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you want to follow our flights along live as they happen for our Instagram stories, please consider following us on Instagram as well. So without further ado, let's hop on board and let's fly down to Oman. Entschuldigung. Dankeschön. Wiederschauen. Tonight's 6-hour red-eye flight down to Oman's capital will be operated by A40-SA, a 2015-built Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, which features the Apex suites in business class, the same type of seat Gulf Air has in business class on their Dreamliners, as we've shown in a previous trip report. Oman Air does not have a premium economy class, only the regular economy class cabin, which features a 333 configuration, which is the industry standard for this type of aircraft. A blanket and a pillow are provided to every passenger, definitely a necessity when spending the night on a plane. Also important is a good legroom, and Oman Air surpassed even my wildest expectations, giving me one of the best legrooms I've had on any economy class flight so far. Like on many other airlines these days though, the missing in-flight magazines do provide an extra centimeter of space you wouldn't normally have had. Each seat was equipped with one of these tray tables, which can be used half-opened or fully opened, as well as a personal entertainment screen with the audio port and the USB port right beneath it. Universal power outlets could be found beneath the seats, and coat hooks were installed as well. Oman Air Streamliners also feature a state-of-the-art entertainment system, with various movies and TV shows available on demand, offering a very good selection, especially given that their longest route is only around 8 hours. The headrests of the seats were also adjustable. So with good legroom, good entertainment system, USB and power ports, this is as good as it gets for an economy class cabin. And before takeoff, the crew also handed out headphones, as well as amenity kits, which include eye shades and a pair of socks. Truly phenomenal service already for a 6-hour flight in economy, so I'm excited to see what the rest of the flight brings.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oman Air. Please pay attention to this safety video. Please fill the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you an enjoyable flight with Oman Air.
Shortly after takeoff, the crew started service with a little salty snack and a beverage of your choice. If you've watched other Brutally Honest episodes before, you know how much I appreciate it when airlines do this, instead of just serving the whole meal right away. Given the late time, I went for a beer to go along with the chat pata flavored potato sticks. Unlike some other Middle Eastern carriers, Oman Air does provide complimentary alcoholic beverages. For the main course of the meal, I chose the chicken kabsa, which was served alongside a lentil salad, a piece of rhubarb cake, a little bread roll and butter, as well as a Mars bar, a cup of water, and another beverage of your choice. All in all, a fantastic meal for a 6-hour flight. Afterwards, the crew offered tea or coffee, alongside which they also handed every passenger a bottle of water, a very thoughtful gesture on a red-eye flight. After that, it was time to get some sleep, and given that the plane was pretty empty, I slept like a baby. Since we flew right over Dubai though, I made sure to be awake for the view. After that, we started our descent into Muscat. Muscat Airport's main terminal was only opened in 2018 and is absolutely stunning. It is also much smaller than those of Dubai or Doha, making the airport faster and simpler to connect through. So now we're continuing on to our final destination today, Dubai, aboard this Boeing 737-800 registered A40-BAA, which was delivered to Oman Air in 2016. Up front, the aircraft features a 2-2 configured business class, with a regular 3-3 configured economy class behind that. The seats are almost the same as on the Boeing 787, featuring personal entertainment screens, adjustable headrests, a more average legroom than on a Dreamliner, a cup holder, and a tray table, which again can be half open or fully opened, as well as a USB port and the audio port right beneath the screen, universal power outlets beneath the seats, and coat hooks. Astonishingly, amenity kits were handed out on this flight again. I'm not sure if this is normal, as it is highly unusual to get eye shades and socks on a flight that short. I mean, Dubai is only around an hour from here. Maybe it has something to do with the antiseptic wipes, which were inside the kit as well. I might have missed them in the kit on the previous flight. Anyway, let's get on with our journey and head to Dubai.
Greetings, مرحبا. Complimentary snack service was provided on this flight as well, which is highly appreciated.
Everyone got a chicken sandwich, as well as a cup of water and a pack of berry juice. Due to the short flight time, there were no other drinks offered, apart from the optional coffee or tea. And just like that, we were on approach into Dubai already. Oman Air has shown that it truly cares about the kind of experience they offer on board, having their planes equipped with the best of the best when it comes to seats and offering an all-around fantastic service. The sad thing, however, is that I do not expect this to be sustainable in the long run. Especially the Munich to Muscat flight was very empty, and the ticket price for this journey was unusually low. With so much care and effort, I truly hope that Oman Air is able to attract more customers to fill their planes, otherwise they will have to make cuts somewhere, or get more money from the government. Anyway, right now they offer probably the best price to quality ratio of any airline in the Middle East, maybe even in the world. So with that, thank you very much for watching this video and coming along today. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of our review series Brutally Honest. Please consider to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any of our upcoming episodes. Thank you again for being with us today, and I hope to see you again next week for our Brutally Honest episode about the flagship of Canada's second largest airline, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner of WestJet. Have a great day everyone, and thanks for watching.